Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 10 of my daily savings in April. I'm bringing $10 a day to use up as many minis as I possibly can from my stash. I love, okay Coco, don't make that sound. Mommy just nailed her intro. So day 10, I have my $10. Coco, no scratches, okay? Just lay down. She's under the desk, making her presence known. All right. So I'm going to put my $10 into my bank, which I have open. All right. And then I'm going to take my $10 worth of prop coins, which represents the $10 I just put in there. And I do not think we're going to finish any. We've had such a good streak. Coconut, no dig. Just lay down, little one. Lay down. Okay. Coco, lay down. I have no idea what she's trying to do. All right. It's noisy here today, I guess. All right, so I'm going to roll my pink D3. We are going to go to the Paperclip. These dashboards and prop coins come from Chandel at Homebody Mama's Savings. I'll have her linked below. Cute little paperclip from Jeanette's Journey. All right, so we're starting on 5. I'm going to mix these up one more time. All right, let's see what we can do. 3 for 5 to start us off. Happy Friday, everybody. 1, 2, and 3 for number 1. 1 for 2. It's cool here this morning in Vegas. We're having 3 for 3. We're having cooler weather coming this weekend. I want to film all my videos with long sleeves and all the cozy feels. I do have my blanket on me right now, and that's why I'm filming in the morning, because otherwise, if I had my blanket on me in the afternoon, I would be so hot. All right. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. Oh, I do have 3 in my hand. Can we make it perfect? Yes, 3 for 3. We're starting on number 4 tomorrow. I swear it's the little things in life that totally make me happy. All right, let's move these guys out of the way. Day 10 happening. I don't have my markers, but I'll grab those as I need them. So let's see. So we have 50, 25, and 25. So that's $1.25 going into number 1. And number 1 is from Candy at Stuff and Budget. Let's see. I wonder if it was this one. It doesn't, that's too pink and that's so purple. But I don't see a purple one up here. We're going with it. All right, so we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so close. I'll be right back. All right. This one from Candy at Stuff and Budget. We only need 50 more cents. Here's hoping tomorrow we can finish that one. Jake, go lay down, bud. All right, number 2 got $1.25 as well. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do, let's get my orange out. Oh my goodness. Oh, you see it? Oh, that's green. All right, so $1.25. All right, 75 more cents. We'll finish the yummy popcorn one. Speaking of popcorn, this one inspired me to create a freebie that I have on my Ko-fi for, it's like you can do it as a roll and save for each kernel or a color and save, however you want. All right, 3 got $1. Oh my goodness, number 3. Holy cow. 3 got $3.50. Didn't that happen already once? Oh my goodness. Look at that. I love my little camera. It just helps me so much. If you film, this is a good investment, but you don't need it right away if you're just starting. You don't need all the tools and the fancy gadgets. You just start filming and just saving money. But, you know, as you get going and you want that, that's something that's there. Oh, I love this one. This one from Save with Judy. It's so pretty. And I'm just putting the little orange center in. So $1, $2, 25. We did finish one. So I have 20, and I even have 25 cents to put in another one. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. So let me get my little orange out. So $1, $2, 25. And we had, oh, what do we have? We had 1, 2. Oh, we have more than that. That's $2.25. So we have $1.25 left. I knew that didn't seem right. Okay. I was too busy oogling over my little flowers. Oh my God, I love how this turned out. This is so pretty. Oh, simple, but so nice. All right, so let's go back here. Let's get an extra. What's this one? Oh, the Child. Grogu. This is from SW Fanatic Saves. I just bought more stuff on her awesome shop last night because Star Wars. I couldn't help it. She has a Star Wars binder now and another game I wanted. So yeah. So this one is going to be $1.25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So we crossed out this last one. So this will save us $6. So we can do this whole top row. What are we going to see? Should we do it in... Should we do it in brown? Let's see what happens. Oh, that's good. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. I wish I kind of, now that I'm looking at this, I was like, oh, I could have had this because it has numbers in the bottom corner, but I'm using it as my minis. But I know I have another one. Look at his face. So cute. Okay, so we started this one with $1.25. Perfect. And that's from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves. All right, number 4. Got another $1.25. That is the amount today. Ooh, the Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apua. Now I just have to say it faster. Okay, so let's do this color for the $1.25. So we have the Humun, 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 Okay, this one will save us $5. This is from Rainbow Budgets, and this is Hawaii State Fish. Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apua. I think I nailed it. Probably didn't, but it felt good. Okay, so that's going into number 4. So that was all of these coins. Number 5. Another $1.25. Love it. Love the consistency. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We needed $1.50. That's all right. We can finish this one tomorrow. Adding in a new color. That may or may not stay now that I think about it. Let's do green. So it's 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So close. And then number 6 got $1.50. Number 6 is Flocking Fabulous from the Millennial Saver. So that is going to be this color. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. All right, I can finish out the top row and do the whole second row. I'll be right back. Awesome. And I ended up ordering more of these sparkly markers from CC over at Creationsbymuneca, since more than, it seems like half my markers are running out of ink because I'm using them every day all the time. So this one is going to save us $5 when we are done, so we can put that back. So we finished one for $6. That's amazing. So we're going to go to the bank, but let's get our prop coins. Should probably mix these up a little bit. And then grab our bank. We need a 5 and a 1. So we have $6 going into our completed. And I'm just going to shove this right in here. We are not counting this. We count that at the end of the month. And then that gets used in a left, right, center kind of game that will go to 3 different fund sinking funds. And then we can keep track of how many we complete. And I finished 66 of these last month. So I would love to be able to do more, but I think that was a pretty good month. All right, that was day 10. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.